You can shut your eyes to things you don't want to see, but you can't shut your heart to things you don't want to feel. In my opinion, it's easier to ignore things we don't want to see, but emotions are harder to control. Our hearts often feel things deeply, whether we want them to or not. The only real limits are the ones you set for yourself. I believe that most of our limits are self-imposed. Often, we can achieve more if we push past our own doubts and fears. Discipline will get you places that motivation can't. I think discipline is crucial for success. While motivation can get you started, it's discipline that keeps you going and helps you achieve your goals. Some people talk to you when they have time, and some make time to talk to you. Know the difference. In my view, the way someone prioritizes time to talk with you reveals a lot about their interest and commitment in the relationship or conversation. Finding loyalty can be tough, but losing trust is easy. Watch for those who watch out for you. Loyalty means everything. In my opinion, loyalty is a rare quality that builds strong bonds and trust between people. It's important to cherish and prioritize relationships with those who demonstrate loyalty and support. Focus on what you truly deserve, not just how you feel in the moment. In my opinion, it's important to prioritize what you deserve over temporary feelings or emotions. This helps ensure you make decisions that align with your long-term happiness and well-being. If you don't take care of yourself, you won't have the strength to take care of anything else in life. In my opinion, self-care forms the foundation for effectively managing and nurturing other aspects of life. When you prioritize your own well-being, you're better equipped to handle challenges and responsibilities with strength and resilience. Instead of trying to change people, listen to what they reveal about you. Reevaluate your worth, and they will acknowledge any changes. In my opinion, focusing on self-improvement and understanding how others perceive you can lead to personal growth. When you value yourself more, others may notice positive changes in you as well. When you're angry, avoid making decisions, and when you're happy, be cautious about making promises. In my opinion, making decisions when angry can lead to regrets, as emotions may cloud judgment. Similarly, making promises in moments of happiness might not always align with long-term intentions or capabilities. To enhance the mind, we should think more rather than just memorize. In my opinion, critical thinking and understanding concepts deeply are essential for true mental improvement beyond mere memorization. Be kind to everyone because you never know what they are going through. In my opinion, showing kindness to others is important because we often don't fully understand the challenges and struggles someone may be facing. Being compassionate can make a significant difference in someone's day or life. There can't be a beautiful surface without a deep, complicated inside. In my opinion, true beauty often has layers of complexity beneath it. The depth and challenges behind the surface can add to its richness and value. Always finish the day with a positive thought. In my opinion, ending the day with a positive thought can improve your mood and help you sleep better, setting you up for a good start the next day. No matter your situation, if you can imagine a better life for yourself, you can achieve it. In my opinion, having a positive vision for your future is powerful. Believing in your ability to improve your circumstances can motivate you to work towards achieving your goals. Sometimes the real reward of your work isn't what you get, but who you become. In my opinion, the true value of hard work often lies in personal growth and development. The skills, resilience, and character you build are often more important than any material rewards. Life has its ups and downs. Get through it. In my opinion, life will always have its highs and lows. The key is to stay resilient and keep pushing through, knowing that challenges are a part of the journey. When you change how you see yourself, you automatically change the world around you. In my opinion, our perception of ourselves shapes how we interact with the world. By improving our self-image and beliefs, we can positively influence our environment and relationships. Go boldly toward your dreams and live the life you've imagined. In my opinion, pursuing your dreams with confidence is key to living a fulfilling life. It's about taking action and striving for the life you envision for yourself despite challenges or doubts. If someone doesn't value you, you won't earn their respect until you create some distance from them. In my opinion, maintaining self-respect often requires stepping away from relationships or situations where your value isn't recognized. Creating distance can help you prioritize relationships that truly appreciate and respect you. The main difference between success and failure isn't intelligence, but the ability to endure discomfort. In my opinion, success often hinges more on one's ability to handle and overcome discomfort than on sheer intelligence. Enduring challenges and pushing through adversity are crucial for achieving long-term goals. Learning to react less and stay calmer is a big part of personal growth and reducing stress. In my opinion, developing the ability to be less reactive can significantly contribute to personal growth and overall well-being. It allows for better handling of stressful situations and fosters a more peaceful mindset. If you enjoyed watching this video, don't forget to like, subscribe, and turn on the notification bell so you don't miss any new videos. Let us know your thoughts about this video in the comment section down below, and feel free to stay and enjoy it until the end. Also make sure to check out our next highlighted video, and we will see you next time. Thanks for watching. Please like, share, and subscribe.